Hey guys, it's Lexi, and today I'll be doing a review for Snoopslimes, and I've really never ordered from a famous slime shop before, so this is a really exciting video. And I already did open up this package just to make sure it had the right slimes inside, so yeah, let's just get right into this video. So I'm just going to reopen this because it's sealed again pretty, I don't know how to explain it. It sealed itself though. So the first thing that's in here are the two slimes I ordered, which are two clear slimes. So I'm going to put that to the side. And then it comes with a little extra baggie with candy, and it looks like borax, and her business card, or his, I don't know. I think it's a girl though, but I can't remember. And this slime also came in a really nice bubble mailer, and the slimes were nicely bubble wrapped. So already the packaging is a 10 out of 10. So in the extra bag, it has a little business card and like information about it, and just care sheets basically. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and then it like opens up. It's super cute. I really like this. It comes with this little baggie of borax, Swedish fish, like just a single one. I've never actually seen this before, where they're like in singular packages. And a blue raspberry Zats, which I have tried these before, but I've never tried this flavor, so that should be interesting. So yeah, let's get on to the slimes. Okay, so this is the slime I ordered. I forgot the names of them, but there were 5 different colors, and you randomly got 2 colors, and I'm very happy with the 2 colors I got. And these are in the size 2 ounce, and already these are so clear. Look at how clear that is. So I got an orange one and a blue one, so these are super cute colors. And yeah, I'm just going to be using this little bin here to play with the slimes on. Okay, one sec. So yeah. So first I'll be playing with this orange slime. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is really exciting, guys. I don't think these are scented, but it still smells really good. Okay. Wow. That is very, very clear. And also it comes with a bunch of adorable little like Fimo slices. And this whole package was like only 10 something, like $10. I don't know the exact amount, but it was like about $10. So it was very cheap for such high quality slime. Even though these were smaller slimes, it's still a pretty large amount of slime. Or like at least a decent amount of slime, I guess I should say. Okay, that's as much as I'm going to be able to get out for now. So here's the slime. It's so clear. This is just unbelievably clear. These are so pretty, and this is such a pretty, like, vibrant color. I really do like it. It's also really clicky, and has nice bubble pops. I don't know if it has a scent, but I don't think it does, because if it did have a scent, it would be foggy, but yeah, these little Fimo slices are so cute. Did you see that? So I'm just going to put this back into the container. Make sure I get all this one off me because I don't want to get any of the orange one in the blue slime. So yeah, I'm going to be rating this slime a 10 out of 10. It's really just amazing. I love it so much. And yeah. The reason I didn't order like her regular slimes is because she's really well known for having extremely clear slime. So let's get on to the blue one. So I definitely know the blue one's going to be my favorite. I just really love this color and think it's so, so pretty. So yeah. If you want to see like more in-depth like ASMR like videos, then go check out my Instagram, my slime count Instagram, muffin.slimes with 2 S's at the end. And also a really funny thing, I just found like a random foam bead in this slime, which is, I'm fine with that. I don't really care. I just thought that was really funny. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm also really surprised, because sorry, I was like so silent there for a second. I was just trying to get out of the container, but I'm very surprised the slimes like didn't get extremely hard, just because it is kind of cold where I live right now. So it is a little bit expected for them to be a tad bit hard, but they're not that bad, so yeah. And also, she did give instructions on how to like make the slime better if it's a little bit stiff. Look at how clear this is. I'm usually not a huge fan of like the texture of clear slimes. Oh, my hair. Of the texture of clear slimes, but you know, this has a really nice texture, and it has like, it's very holdable, and by that means like when you do this or something, it like stays in that shape for quite a while. So I really love these slimes. Yeah, this one doesn't smell like anything. Obviously, it just smells like glue, which is expected because slime is made with glue. Okay. Just close this real quick. Okay, so yeah, here's the 2 slimes. Overall, I really enjoyed these slimes and everything in this review. I thought everything was really nice and super nicely packaged, and I love these 2-ounce containers. They like aren't the super cheap ones. So yeah, there's all these slimes and stuff, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and thanks for watching. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and go check out Snoop Slime Shop. So yeah, bye.